Hey, welcome back to my cute little corner of the internet. So I need to tell you something. Have you ever noticed that when you really want something to happen, like you want it so badly, you think about it all the time, you imagine it, you wait for it, and somehow it just doesn't happen. And then you get disappointed, you get tired, you stop expecting it, you let go, and then suddenly things start moving. I've noticed this so many times in my life. The more attached I become to an outcome, the farther it seems to pull away. And I'm not talking about people, I'm talking about situations, like literally anything. It's like the more I chase something, the more it runs away. And the moment I stop chasing it, it slowly starts walking back toward me. And I always found that so strange. So I googled it because I wanted to know why this keeps happening. And let me read this to you. It says, when you desperately cling to an outcome, you unconsciously project tension and neediness, which pushes results away. Detaching eliminates this resistance, allowing you to focus calmly on the process and make better decisions. And honestly, that's exactly what was happening. Because when you're constantly attached to something, your whole mood depends on it. And that's exhausting. You're always thinking, when will it happen? Why isn't it happening yet? So yeah, I stopped clinging to the outcomes. And surprisingly, things started moving on their own. And let me tell you, no manifestation. In fact, the opposite of it. I just stopped holding on so tightly. And it made me feel so light, so happy, and more like myself. I'm just doing my thing, and whatever is meant to happen can happen in its own time. I feel calm, I'm grounded, I have a clear head, and it feels so good because life that once felt dead has slowly started coming back to life. I'm sleeping better, I'm doing better. So, yeah, that was something I wanted to share. I'm happy and I'm learning. So, yeah, see you on the next page.